you're about to go, oh, that's not hard. I'm going to edit the watch thread version, and then you can edit the version in the main thread. So I'm literally going to come over here and I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to where you've written the item 2 and item 3 information, and I am going to want to make space for it above the good luck, because I want to put them just below where your statement about the one you used the image for was. So I just added a couple of spaces. I'm going to highlight everything you wrote for item 2 and item 3, and I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to come up to this line I put, oops. I'm going to come up here between the end of the focal point items, so the rows and the good luck. I'm going to hit Control V, or you can right click to paste it. And so I've simply moved them inside, because here's the coding, the formatting codes. So this makes it bigger. That size makes it bigger, color makes it the color, center makes it centered. I just left the disclaimer out below. Now I'm just going to delete so that it's closer. And that way the disclaimer does still stand out because it'll be the different color. And once I hit save, we'll just scroll through, and there you have Aquamarine Rose and the statement, Dudley's Tortoise and the statement, the wreath and the statement. And so it's all in the format. I turned it temporarily to my pretty color, but that's just it. And so that's all you have to do. And so you can do exactly the same thing in the main thread.